Hello, and welcome back to our channel where we provide you with useful tips and tricks to make the most out of your social media experience. Today, we will be talking about how you can check your Instagram account activity. Whether you're curious about your interactions, deleted content, or how you use Instagram, this guide will show you how to access this information. First things first, open the Instagram app on your phone. You can find this app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Once you're inside the app, tap on your Instagram profile picture tab, or the three horizontal stacked lines located in the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on the menu in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to a new page with several options. Scroll down until you find a clock icon named Your Activity. This option is located under the Settings section of the menu. Tap on Your Activity to access your account activity. This is where you can check your activity in different categories. From here, you can check your activity in several categories. The first category is interactions, which includes your likes, comments, tags, sticker responses, and more. The second category is removed or archived content, which includes recently deleted content. The third category is content you shared, which includes your posts, reels, highlights, and more. The fourth category is suggested content, which includes recommendations Instagram has made for you. And the fifth category is how you use Instagram, which includes the amount of time you spend on the app. And there you have it. Checking your Instagram account activity is a great way to keep track of how you're using the app and what you're doing on it. We hope this guide was helpful for you. And if you have any other questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.